Minasan ohayou gozaimasu. Our Cruiser desu. What's up, everybody? I'm our Cruiser. How you doing? Today, we're going to go to Japan's Home Depot, which is called Conan. So, over the last 20 years or so, Japan's been on a really do-it-yourself boom. Yeah, so it's kind of like Home Depot. They have your outdoor gardening section, wood, bricks. You could do like concrete bags, and actually Conan was founded in 1978, so it's been around for a while, and they have like over I want to say like 500 stores throughout Japan, and I think they're even internationally in Vietnam and maybe some other Southeast Asian countries. And there's three types of Conans. There's a Conan Home Center, which is basically you got your gardening and you can buy some wood and things like that. And also has from pet products all the way to indoor interior products and tools and stuff like that. Then there's the Conan Pro, which opens earlier than the regular one. I think they probably open at 7, and it's catered towards construction workers and professionals. You can get more things in bulk, and they have other stuff that you don't get at the regular home center. And there's one more. I think it's more of like a smaller shop. I don't think there's any around here. That's more just for like your daily appliances and cleaning products and stuff like that. But the one we're going to today is the Conan Home Center. So, yeah, there is a Conan Pro here in the city, but we're not going to that one today. I actually bought something. I have to return it because it's not the product I really want. So I'm gonna come get my money back. But yeah. When I first came to Japan, the company I was with, they gave me an apartment. So Japanese apartments are really small. So there's basically one little tiny room that's like your bedroom and living room. That's like combined, right? I had a bed in there, and like a little sofa, and TV and stuff. And then there's a little tiny bathroom unit. There's like a bath and toilet unit. And then as soon as you come out of that, there's your little kitchen. And it's supposed to be dining, but there's basically room for just one little tiny table and a couple chairs. And then there's the entrance area. So it was really small. So I wanted to, put up some shelves and stuff. That I could put up some books and maybe, have some more space on the wall. So I went to the home center and bought a nice little, a nice shelf and some shelf anchors, kind of like a L-shaped anchor thing. And you're supposed to put it in the, underneath the veneer wallpaper. You're supposed to find the anchor and bolt those in good. But I was just supposed to be here for a year, so I didn't put up buy the tool to find the anchors or anything. And I did the tapping on the wall and tried to find the wood, but eventually I just gave up and just screwed it into the veneer, which is very, very thin, like what, I don't know, maybe like just this thin. So I was able to put up the shelf, but it wasn't able to hold any weight, right? So or any substantial weight. So I just had like magazines and books and maybe like a flower pot or something, a couple picture frames and things like that. But after my year contract, I had moved out of there, and the next teacher moved in. And sorry, James, if you're listening. So he had this nice big stereo system. So he put his big stereo system and speakers on the shelf, not knowing that it wasn't designed for that. And He told me when he woke up, or actually like during midnight or something, he was sleeping and he heard this big crash. Girl on the floor. His whole stereo speaker just crashed to the floor. So the anchor system didn't hold very well. Sorry, James. But that was pretty funny.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right,
since
boy.
then, yeah, I've gotten a lot better at do-it-yourself projects. I actually bought one of those laser anchor finder things you put on the wall, and when it finds the anchor, it beeps. Or when you find the stud. So since then, I've done some nice shelves and stuff, do-it-yourself projects. So that was funny. Yeah, sorry, James. But yeah, anyways. Today we'll check out what's it like at the home center here. Now Home Depot is in Los Angeles. It's huge, right? You go in there and you can get lost. They have everything, and they do have lots of stuff here. They do have painting corner, plumbing corner, tools, lots of different stuff. You can actually buy wood and cut it here.
It sound right,
and they have like some landscaping, some plants, some flowers, and some soil. What else they have? They have like bicycles, and then all your gardening tools and appliance. Like you can get like weed whackers or whippersnipper, whatever you want to call it. And then yeah, pet corner, pet shop. One of the other bigger Conans, they actually have pet shop in there. You can buy dogs and birds and fish and stuff. Then what else they got? They got furniture, they got wallpaper, like some small carpets, and you can even buy like lights and washing machines and things like that. But I mean, it's nothing like Home Depot as far as the size. But for Japan, it's pretty big.
It sound right, boy.
Alright, they make a little U-turn. But yeah, I like to come here and just browse around, and I always end up buying something that I don't need, some tool or something, but you never know when you need it, right? So here's the backside right here, Conan Home Center. So it's pretty big, right? So this one, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., so not too bad. The Conan Pro one opens right, at I think 6 or 7, maybe 6. Construction guys start early. So as you can see, there's some sheds back there. You got your gardening. Okay, let me take off my helmet and stuff, and then we'll go take you for a tour. Okay, so let's see, we got our concrete, got some blocks. So one 15 centimeter blocks, about $2, 210. So you got concrete. So you can come here, get some stuff to do it yourself. Get some Japanese garden stuff. Get your wood. Put some gardening chairs for your patio. Wheelbarrows. Some stones, a patio table. You got your soil for your potatoes, fruits. And you can get bicycles. Get some tarps. So we got all your basic home center stuff. These are for the new year. Hang on your door for good luck. These are cool. These are Kerosene pumps for your winter heat. Kerosene tanks. There's your winter products. There, if you want to do it yourself here, how-to series. Make it boiled or cooled. 2x4s, 12 footers. My favorite section. Get all the tools, tool bags, cases. You can find your roofing here. Your stove and sinks. Look at nice gas range. There's a line right here. You need one of these. You need a 3-set right here. 1, 2, 3. 63, 31. Looks like 9. 1100 bucks and get a new set. Some cheaper. 34, that's pretty cheap. Or 38. I'm gonna get this one. Here's the famous Japanese toilets. Got the heated seat. The wipe your butt for the B-day for the men. That's nice. Once you go there, you won't go back. Water heaters. These are freezers. Very cool. Vacuums. Got some shoes. These cool shoes, 10 bucks. Another mini sofa. I like this chair. How much is this? 9 bucks? Oh, it's not bad. Oh, pretty good. So if you guys see anything you like, let me know. Look at this camping section. Get some tents. Oh, yeah. Lanterns. Look at this sponge, looks like a fish. Looks like fishing. Here's the sports area. So here's a nice bike. It's about 600 bucks. This has the battery. So here's the Japanese lawnmower, Makita. So for like 150 bucks, you get one of these little things, you plug it in, you cut the grass. But if you have a nice lawn, that won't really cut too well. I mean, it'll cut nice, but it'll probably break a couple in a year or so. My neighbor had one and he only used it like a couple seasons and it broke. So he spent a little bit more money, get one with the engine, and that'll cut nice. Okay. Let's see. That's not bad. Little space, small one. That's 16 bucks. This one only 10 bucks. Look at that. Cheap.